Hello language lovers, as I promised I'm making this dictionary trail for you. I have mentioned about two dictionaries and this is the first one, sozluk.gov.tr. Before proceeding further, I would like to remind you that if you still haven't subscribed, feel free to subscribe, leave a comment and hit the like button. Okay, here at the right top corner you are seeing Atatürk's picture. He is founder of Turkish Republic, and in the middle of the screen you can see search bar. Below search bar you can see Turkish letters, so you can just click on the letter if you don't have Turkish keyboard. Let's check that with an example to see how it works. For example, let's look for word ağaç. As you see, I clicked on that soft G and check. Yes, it's pretty much easy. If you click on the speaker icon, you will hear pronunciation of the word.
Ağaç.
Now let's search another word. Bayrak. Yes, also here you can
Bayrak.
click on that speaker icon and you can hear the words pronunciation. Yes, and that is bayrak. At the right side of search bar you can select other dictionaries as well. Here we are opening the drop down menu, and here you can select as much as you want. How much dictionaries you select, so much results you will see. For example, this at the right group you can see terms dictionary such as woodwork terms, anatomy terms, as you see, computer terms, botanic terms. As you see, you can find pretty much everything here. In the middle group you can see that comparison Turkish dialects with Turkish, like Azeri Turkish and Turkish, for example. You can compare all of these, and if you look at that left pane, and this is most important part for us, here we can find Atasözleri ve Deyimler Sözlüğü, which means idioms and proverbs dictionary. This dictionary will be needed for if you want to be advanced or even in native speaker in the quickest time. So let's just click on that and let's search a proverb. For example, my favorite one is sakla zamanı. Oh, it came. Gelir zamanı. So it means less important looking thing, maybe needed a time. So let's search another one like bilmemek değil, öğrenmemek. Ayıp. Well, it's search with comma. Here you can see the meaning of it, but it means it's okay if you don't know, but it is a shame if you don't will to learn at all. So this is the meaning of this proverb. And let's search an idiom. For example, dört gözle beklemek. Or look, bakmak. Çok isteyerek ve özleyerek beklemek. So it means to wait for something eager, with impatience. But if you translate it word by word, then it means waiting with 4 eyes. Can you imagine that? I think that's why idioms are so much fun to use. Okay, that's all for sozluk.gov.tr. Now let's check sozluk.net. When you enter sozluk.net, you will see such a screen. This is search bar. and you can do pretty much anything there. If you look at the right top of the screen here, you can see hesap, which means account. You can create a free account there if you would like. Next to it, you can select language options. Besides English, there are Turkish, German, Russian, and Arabic options as well. At the right top of the search bar, you can see Turkish letters to assist with typing Turkish characters, just like in sozluk.gov.tr, but additionally, you could open a virtual Turkish keyboard here, like this one. Let's search over here. Şarkı.
Şarkı.
Şarkı, as you can see, şarkı means song. And by clicking on the speaker icon, you can hear a pronunciation which I did just some seconds ago.
Şarkı.
Now let's search for another word. Yeah, okay, this one. This is my favorite. Yeah, turtles. Yes, when I was a child, Ninja Turtles were my favorite cartoon. Which one was your favorite? Did you have any? And let's search for an idiom. For example, yes, this one. Havalara uçmak. It means to be too much happy. Whew, being 7-7? Ah, that's even better. Now I'm happier. Okay, now let's search an English word. Let's search for congratulations. How many of you can write this without looking anywhere? Yeah, it means tebrikler or tebrik ederim. Here is still, you can click on that speaker icon and in
Congratulations.
Congratulations, United Kingdom,
Congratulations.
United States,
Congratulations.
United States, and Australia.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Yeah, accept which you want. And let's look for a color. Okay, yeah, it writes kızıl, kırmızı. So red means actually kırmızı. Kızıl, we use it for like hair color. Kızıl saçlı kız. Like red hair girl, I said now. So kırmızı is red. I was thinking about kırmızı. And you can see there are lots of my favorite vowel in it, that kırmızı. Here on the top you can see gamepad icon, and if you click there you can reach to the games. Let's try this hafıza testi. Hafıza testi means memory test, by the way. And what do we hear? What do we do here? I don't remember at all because it was a long time ago. I even don't remember if there was such a game. But I remember there was Hangman, and I liked it a lot. Well, let's choose beginner. This is beginner, intermediate, and advanced. Oh, okay. So, silgi, rubber, can you see? Or here, duster. So you are just finding the words like here, and you can find it also. You can see it's Turkish here. You can find English here. So I think it's a good game for beginners. And let's check another game. Like, whoa, it says word race. Let's check out this. What is it? Okay, let's start the game. Come on. Well, it doesn't start, I guess. Okay, started now. Again, I chose beginner level, and it says perde is equal to curtain. Is it correct? Yes. So it is just, yeah, this is single woman, miss. Yes. So yeni, new. Yes. So you can continue like that to this game. I think enough of games. You can try your luck here. Do dare to try your luck and share the results in comments. These are all for now with the dictionaries. If you have anything to ask about dictionaries, feel free to ask. Which one did you like most? Also keep in mind that you can find many other dictionaries such as Turank Dictionary, which is dedicated as Turkish and English dictionaries. I just try to tell about my favorite two dictionaries, and covering all those great dictionaries in a video could get quite a much time. Before ending the recording, I would like to say that sozluk takes you from beginning and makes you advanced, but sozluk.gov.tr makes you native. The only disadvantage of it, you must have at least B2 level to be able to use sozluk.gov.tr in the most optimal way. That's all for dictionary tutorial. See you on Monday with chapter 4. Until then, hoşça kalın.